Yo, what's up? Making another video number 8 today. Not today. Video number 8 of all my videos. On my other videos, I got like 10 views on some of them. What the world? Yeah, I got like 10 views on some of them, but that's not really that good for having them up for like 2 days. But, yeah. I'm just recording some shot. Like yesterday, I had to cut my grass. It's horrible. My dad, he usually doesn't go where I go with the lawnmower, the riding lawnmower. That thing could get up and go, dude. It's got like 19 horsepower. It's a riding mower. Every time I was riding it, though, I kept thinking of that song, Big Green Tractor, whatever. I think it's called that. I don't know. But yeah. But that's it right there. Yeah. I was using that. Sorry, the camera thing keeps getting in the way. But it does that a lot. Yeah. I like movies. That's just, I don't know what I was saying right there. But anyway. Yeah. Usually, what I'll do, sometimes when I come out here early in the morning, at like 8, I'll usually just sit down in this chair, this hefty little chair right here, and watch for birds with my airsoft gun. Not really allowed to have any airsoft guns in this neighborhood though. I don't know why. It's kinda gay. My friend got one of his taken away. And he's like 20. But he lives like a little farther away from me though. He lives in this neighborhood, but a little farther away. It's cold out here. It's like 60 degrees. So, what was that? Anyway, yeah, that was probably a nice view of the neighbor's yard over there. But anyway, yeah, just make a video number 8, and it's probably gonna suck. Nobody's gonna want to watch it. But and my cat's out here with me. Because he likes the outside. He doesn't care if it's hot or cold. Look at that nasty swamp stuff in there. It's nasty. Anyway, come here, cat. Come on. My cat's name is Puss. Don't make fun of me. Puss, come on. Freaking tard. He doesn't like to go inside unless he wants to go inside. It's really gay. But I ate really bad from yesterday. Like, usually play hide and go seek tag, but it's suddenly turning into tag now. And mother effer. Hold on. Need a paper towel. I'm gonna sneeze. I feel it. Alright, we're straight. Sorry about that. I just had to wipe my nose. Because whenever I go outside in the morning and it's cold, it gets runny. Now I gotta sneeze. Okay. I'm good. I'm good, I swear. Anyway. Yeah. I swear I have an allergy to cats. I'm not even lying. Every time I hold my cat, I sneeze. I swear I sneeze. Hold on. Jesus. Okay, I think I'm done. I think. God, I hate that. I think I figured out what this video name's gonna be. Fat guy sneezing a lot. And the reason why it's fat guy, somebody down the street was like, hey, how much do you weigh? Because they were trying to do a fighting thing. They were like, how much do you weigh? I was like, now I weigh 120. I know I do. Because I feel like 120. I don't feel fat anymore. And she was like, "Oh, you're overweight." I was like, that's cool. That makes sense. I was like, okay, that's cool, man. That's cool. That's cool. Anyway, hopefully this video doesn't take too long. How much is the time? 5 something. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna upload this video for everybody. All 5 people. Yeah, I don't know why I still upload videos. Nobody really watches them, and they're never really that good. Sitting down in this chair. I feel like a captain when I'm in this chair, dude. It's not even funny. But yeah, let me upload this real quick.